What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting Huawei news. The company just dropped details on their upcoming updates, and trust me, this could shake up the smartphone world in 2025. First up, HarmonyOS Next. Huawei is finally making the move away from Android, which means faster performance, cleaner animations, and way tighter security. This is basically Huawei saying, we don't need Google anymore. Second, Huawei is bringing serious AI upgrades. We're talking smarter cameras with insane night mode, real-time AI editing, and even personalized system recommendations. It feels like Huawei is going all in on AI to compete with Samsung and Apple. Another big one, battery and performance. Thanks to their new power management system, you could see way longer screen on time without losing speed. And if you're into gaming, the new Kirin chips are expected to run cooler and smoother. And here's the wild card, satellite connectivity. Huawei wants you to send messages even without a cell tower nearby. That's next level for hikers, travelers, or anyone who wants peace of mind when they're off the grid. So yeah, Huawei isn't slowing down, they're stepping up with HarmonyOS Next, crazy AI features, longer battery life, and satellite tech. Question is, will this be enough to win over US users, or will it stay big only overseas? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you on the next one.